Hi everybody, this is Sheila Aliens. Today is Sunday, May 15th, 2011. So it looks like we've had up to 4 transformer explosion incidents within the past week in the United States. And I just wanted to go ahead and map those out because I know that's not anything normal. And I still don't know exactly what's going on with that. But in case there's some dots to be connected later on, we'll know. So just documenting this. The first one happened in Fort Worth, Texas on Tuesday, May 10th, 2011 at about 9:30 p.m. And this one does have video, as you probably know. The second one also took place in a Fort Atkinson, Wisconsin on Thursday, May 12th.
This is behind my house at 1 o'clock in the morning. Yes, because transformers are blowing up.
This next one is out of Missouri. It took place on Saturday, May 14th, 2011. A transformer explosion and power surge in Wentzville is being blamed for tornado sirens activating in St. Charles County Saturday afternoon. The power surge was at the county dispatch building, which also serves as a secondary activation center for the county's tornado warning siren system. The county's emergency management office describes it as an equipment failure, and they are investigating it. This most recent one happened 12:30 a.m. today, Sunday, May 15th, 2011. Las Vegas, Nevada. A transformer on the street behind the Monte Carlo Resort blew up about 12:30 a.m., police spokesman Lieutenant William Scott said. Crews put out residual fire quickly after most of the fire had burned itself out. So, WTF do you guys think is going on? Are we under attack? And if we are under attack, is it from the inside? Or is it from another country? Is this some type of emergency test that they're doing against their own citizens? They being FEMA or whoever. I know there is an interesting planetary alignment at the moment that won't happen again for a long time, but there's just so much weird stuff going on, I don't know what to think. Just one more thing to keep an eye on. Peace out.